Tell us what happened, Gina.
I was in the middle of doing my Christmas dinner, okay? And would you believe all of a sudden, something go shh, and I'm like, I know I cut that water off. Boy, I turned around.
Water started spraying everywhere.
That whole faucet that I had just went crazy. Water was everywhere on Christmas Day. Guests coming over too.
And our dad had to fix it.
It's cracking, fam. So we are at Grandma's house today. Look at our faucet. Get to pulling this boy down. We was over here for Christmas the other day. And it was water coming out of here. And I'm like, what the feezy? We kept on pulling, and that's the issue. So we got a new faucet over here. So now we about to go ahead and take this bad baby right out. So under the sink, I'll make sure we shut this water on. That might be off already. So we ain't got no shut off right here. I'm about to go in the basement. Look at that. That boy's been leaking for some time. Oh, that ain't no. So we gotta go turn this on. So this is simple disconnect now. Just gotta take off that nut right there. And then we gotta pop off this weight, disconnect that there. And then we can pull it on up. Let's go find this shut off valve. Usually the shut off valve is right under the sink. Or at least it should be. So the sink is actually right there. So we're gonna go ahead and shut off the hot and the cold. That boy corroded right now. All right. Hold on, shut off. Go back upstairs and take a look. Make sure the water turned off. Swap out this faucet. We need to find a new faucet too. All right, let's see the water off. Oh shit, socket mushroom. So we see cold water off, hot water not. So we just gonna have to turn off the hot water on the water heater, and then it just stop that from coming up here. So this one reason why I don't like the multi-turn shut-off valves, because you always have an issue like that where you keep turning it and tighten it and it'll never be off. With the quarter turn joints, bam, off. You ain't gotta keep twisting forever. So let's find the next. All right, so this is the hot one. You can tell which one hot and cold because you can touch it. It'll be hot. Also too, hot is always on the left side. We're gonna follow this back. This go to here. So the main is right here. Go over to the water heater. So just really had to cut off the cold water. That's going to the water heater, because if there's no water feeding in the water heater, it ain't gonna be no water to come out. So make sure that's off. All right, let's go upstairs and hope it's off. There we go. See that pressure going down? That's crazy. This boy is spraying on size waves. And look, it was up in here like this. First we seen this leaking. And I'm like, oh, this just needs tightened up. But nah. I have to start pulling it out more. Ooh-wee. It's hot. I think it's going on. Alright, so that ain't work. That hot water still coming out of there, so usually that trick will work, but today it ain't working. That's why I like putting shut-offs on the hot and the cold side of the water heater for reasons like this. You see there's none. See if we can find the main. And just shut off the cold too. It's crazy because this shut off valve, it must not really be turned on. Because that should stop that. So I'm gonna actually, look, I'm missing a whole handle over here. You know, grandpa's out there gotta step up. Y'all gotta get some tools or something. It's crazy, this water here is so dang on hot. Let me know in the comment section if y'all got my house hot. Water is like super hot, too hot, extremely hot. because that's how it is here. It'll burn your soul. Water be so hot, but they dishes be clean. That's one thing, but that water be hot as heck. Let me try to find another shut off in this joint, maybe the main or something. All right, so we found the main, but guess what? It's behind all this stuff. Plan B. Oh, hold on, y'all. We got a few more turns out of here. Let's see if that did it. I swear I tightened that boy up till it was tight. It must have been some corrosion in the way, but just tighten it up more, and it kept going. So let's see. Yeah, bird. Jeez. All right, so that did it. Now we can disconnect the faucet underneath. Pop this bad baby on out. All right, y'all. I got this little go-go gadget wrench right here. It's actually my first time using this thing, and I had it for years. But first time it's about to come in handy. Gotta take off that nut that's up there. Stretch this up there. Just twist it like that. And that boy untwist. There we go. Got that ring off, as you can see there. Got this disconnected. Now I just gotta take off these water lines, disconnect these from here and here. All right, so now we just take off this Phillips so we can release this weight, and then we can pull this faucet on up. So Mama T then sprung into action and got Grandma a brand new faucet. This one here is a Better Homes and Gardens, and it's actually a little fancy. It actually has a motion sensor in the front of it, so if your hand's nice and nasty, you don't have to grab it. Got this little battery case here, and everything's look like it can be a little difficult once you see all these wires, but it's still simple, just like the other faucet. So we're gonna go ahead and grab it, stick these lines through this hole here, and it comes with this plate. So we're gonna pop everything through here and then get to connecting up all these connections. These 4 AA batteries goes inside this weight here, and that'll be our power. The control, the on and off function, also has this newer style nut, not like that older one. That'll be a quick connect to tighten down our faucet. Gotta connect these supply lines up. These look a little different, but same concept. This one we got some electric wires on here, so we gotta hook that up to our weight right here. And it's like a sensor faucet, so touchless. So we're gonna see how that work out. Yeah, I done connected all this stuff up and forgot to put the actual piece to tighten down the faucet. So now let me undo all this crap and redo it again. So I'm down here connecting this faucet. Somebody gifted Grandma a $100 gift card. And she like, oh, this is right on time for a faucet. Every time I turn on my faucet, I'm going to think about you. And I had to press the brakes. You can't get him my credit, Grandma. This is the hard part. But in Grandma's defense, she thought we was going to charge her for this install. But just like any repair in the past we did, we was going to do it for free. So we finished that up. We just looking over everything, making sure everything is nice and connected. I asked her if she wanted me to refill that soap dispenser. She said no. So we just went downstairs to turn on that water, and now I'm checking for leaks, making sure everything is dry. Coming up to the faucet, turn that on, and we also gonna make sure that this head is nice and tight on here because we know what happened when this joint is loose. Check out the last video if you don't know. So the issue with these old shut-off valves, too, see this bad baby leaking, but hopefully I can just twist this packing nut. Should stop. Let's see. Hopefully it do. I might have to repack it. That didn't stop, so I need to tighten that up a little bit more, but I might have to take this packing nut off, wrap some Teflon tape in there, and then tighten it back up. And remember when I twisted that and it stopped, I thought it was off. It was just the pressure. So once I turned that off, release the pressure to that, then I was able to do what I'm supposed to do with that. But the downside is this ain't turning all the way off with that handle, so plumbing. So your hands nasty. You got meat on your hands, eggs, and you don't want to cross-contaminate. Check this out, Grandma. So you see how the water on? Uh-huh. Look at this.
Oh, shit, no.
You just weigh your hand.
Oh, hell to the no. Do you see that? I ain't got to touch water because it's a clean. It's a sensor on me.
I like it. I'll keep it. That's so cool.
Thank God they came to my rescue. And their rescue is my grandchildren, Ty and Ray Ray. Those are my loves, and I really appreciate what they did.
I ain't gonna take all your credit.
You discovered it.
I'm like, Gina, why you ain't tell us?
Yeah, because I know it was Christmas. I didn't want to
Right.
spoil you guys Christmas, you know.
I see what
But
you mean.
don't trust me. I was on the corner crying. Thank God Shane came to rescue. Baby's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. I like to have a doggone baby. Okay. And I can't have a name right now. Man, but I'll tell you what, I suffer later though. Told that water.
Ooh, I bet.
Back and forth. He said, I said you can pour the water, but you just can't run the doggone faucet.
Right.
Man, did I feel like 2 cents. My side, my knees, my toes, my legs, everything was hurting. My arms. I made about 25 trips.
Wow.
Because I wanted to be sanitized. And I suffered. Man, that's why I was hurting all last week.
And
Real
that
water
goes
is
so-
heavy.
Right. So a lot of effort was put into that, didn't it?
Yes, we got my thing together. See, Ty and Ray. The art family.
fam.
Thank you. I love you guys.
We love you more.
We had some fun though, didn't we?
We sure did.
Had God say we gonna make it work.
That's
we
right.
We had some fun. Mm-hmm. Get behind me, Satan.
Well, next
I
time,
was so
you know, you can definitely
scared.
call us. Because we don't be caring about what holiday it is.
Yeah.
Like, these holidays really don't be mattering to us. It just be another
I'm
day.
trying to tell.
So if it's an emergency, we'd
Christmas.
definitely come out and help you.
I really appreciate it because I didn't know. I was scared to call you because I didn't want to ruin y'all Christmas.
Oh, no.
That was the best gift ever, okay? That's the best. And to me, he said, Ma, why didn't you call Tommy and Ray, Ma? Bless her heart, too. Jima Beamer. Love y'all. That's my name, y'all. Jima Beamer.
Now, we heard you was having an issue with your microwave, too.
Yes. My microwave ain't messed up. You know, I done taped it up, and tied it up, it done cut off, and it go beep, 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 beep. And then it get too hot. If you cook it, it'll shut up. I'm like, ah.
Whoever you bought gifts for gotta come back.
There you go. There you go. That's what I said.
Like, come on, get in line.
I want to let the world know that was the best gift ever. So if you have anything you want done, please call Ty and Ray. They'll make your day.
I guess the next project is gonna be digging out this microwave. So we can put that up.
Yes.
I can't help but give y'all a glimpse of what my Jima got going on in here because she hooked it up, okay? And look, there go her mom and father right there. And they not here on earth anymore, but
they're here with me.
exactly.
When I lay down, that's right, I'm in their arms. Wish everybody Happy New Year. This is the year of 2026. We gonna make it the best year ever.
Hello.
Thank you. Love everybody.